Welcome everyone to Fire with Dr. Ninja Turtle. This is day 15 of my park walks. I'm glad that everyone is out here walking with me. I hope that you can hear the birds. And I'll have to turn my phone down here because we are coming upon children. So let me just look at another part of the park here. And this will be a short walk because I've already walked quite a bit today, so my mile is almost done. But I just want to give you an idea. There's a Taco Bell Kentucky Fried Chicken right across the street. So this is a city park. And as you can see, it's very beautiful in this city park. At the end of the park, at least where the grass part is. And so I'm going to be hanging a U-turn, and we are going back towards the entrance of this park. This is me enjoying random parks for my 1 mile per day walk. Thank you, Q at 60 Plus and Sophie, for this challenge. There are so many of us YouTube creators out here getting exercise and being in better health. Quick update on my taxes, as this is April 15th tax day, is that I found out that I have overpaid on my state taxes and overpaid on my federal taxes. So there is our tax update of the day. And in my end of month video, where I look at all my finances for the whole month, we'll talk about how much I overpaid and my plan to pay off debt going forward. But basically what this means is I did not have to use all of my line of credit to pay the federal government. So that means debt payoff will happen faster. And at the end of the month, we're going to set a goal for paying off all of our consumer debt. And we will see if we can do this, because it's going to be an aggressive goal for paying off debt. Thank you all for coming on this Day 15, 1 mile per day walk with me.